are you today?
I am great. How are you, Anna?
I'm very good. I'm so excited that we are going to be showing people a few tips on how to exercise very efficiently but also very safely, and that you are our model for this. Are you feeling good today?
I am feeling good today.
Are there any parts of your body that we need to pay more attention, that are more tender or that are a little bit more tight than normal?
My hips are pretty tight today.
They are, okay. Well, so we can do that a little bit more today. So I just want to remind you, as you know, that the three most important things about this type of training is that you want to move slowly throughout the repetition. You don't want to rest between repetitions, so we are letting the muscles do all the work. And the slow speed makes it very safe, but also makes it very mindful. So you're going to be able to connect with every muscle that we are going to be working through the exercises. And the last thing is to make sure that you're breathing freely through your mouth. So we are letting the mouth slightly open, and we're just going to be letting the air in and out all the time. This also helps you relax the neck. So we accomplish two things in one.
All right.
Awesome. So you ready?
I am ready.
All right. So we're going to start with our first exercise, which is going to engage our abdominals and going to leave our pelvis in a good position for the rest of the exercise that are going to follow. So what I'd like you to do is put your feet shoulders width apart, same distance between your toes and your heels, and your knees are going to be soft. You don't want to be completely straight or too bent, but just soft. And all we're going to do is just very slowly contract our abdominals, bring the pelvis forward a little bit, just gently on the first two. We're just going to warm up, and then we're going to extend the spine. It's a very subtle movement, and what we are doing is connecting with the abdominals and also protecting the back for the rest of the exercises that are coming. So coming in again and coming back, extending your spine. On the third one, you can go a little bit deeper. We're going to be contracting the pelvis a little bit farther. Good. And then extending the spine a little bit more. Nice. And just make sure that you're breathing all the time. Now go a little bit more on the next one. Bringing the pelvis in and forward. Good. And then extending the spine a little bit more. And we'll do two more times. As far forward as you can go. Very good. And extending, keep moving slowly. That's the key, as we were saying before. One last time. You're going to go as far in as you can. And then going back, one last extension. Excellent. And now just think of what is the center between those two most contracted and most extended positions, and find that center, because that's where we want to be for the rest of the exercises. Do you have it?
I got it.
Awesome.
Drop, get your hands up. Drop, get your hands up. Drop,